Hey guys, I'm Michael Wiesner. I'm an animator, illustrator, and graphic designer. And today, I'm going to show you how to draw a Christmas train. Let's get started. All right guys, for our Christmas train, we want to first draw out a train, like so. Draw my front. Have my car. There we go. Now we've got that roughed out. We can then start hard lining our train out a bit. But for the front of my car, or my train engine, line here, but then I'm going to put a little Christmas wreath. Some dots like that. Drawing a little bow. Then for our smokestacker, I'm going to make it look a little bit like a peppermint. Second one, the same thing. Draw my roof. There you have it, our Christmas train. And that's how you draw a Christmas train. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.